What if flagship power didn't come with a flagship price? What if the future of mobile was finally within reach? This is the phone that changes everything. Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, where performance meets perfection without compromise. Experience the future through a 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, now even brighter and smoother with 144 Hz refresh rate. Capture brilliance with a triple-lens pro-grade camera powered by AI, day or night, rain or shine, 50-megapixel clarity, 8K video, cinematic content at your fingertips. Under the hood, a beast, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Whether it's gaming, streaming, or creating, the Galaxy S25 FE never breaks a sweat. All-day power, 4,800 milliamp-hour battery with super fast charging, 0 to 100 in less than 40 minutes. Stay ahead, stay charged. Designed to impress, a sleek matte finish, 4 fresh colors, ultra-light, ultra-durable, IP68 water and dust-resistant. Seamlessly connected, whether it's your Galaxy Buds, watch, or tab. Everything syncs like magic. The Galaxy S25 FE. Flagship DNA. Fan edition price. Coming soon worldwide. Are you ready to FE the difference? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadget Drip for more exciting tech videos. Your next favorite device is just one click away.